In this guide, I'll show you how to fix it when you're getting a black screen or no HDMI signal on your Nintendo Switch 2 when it's connected to the dock and your TV. So the first thing you want to do is go to the inputs on your TV and make sure that you're on the correct HDMI input, because if not, you'll likely get the no HDMI signal, so just ensure that you're on the correct one. Now, if you know that's not the problem, have a look at your Nintendo Switch 2 dock and ensure that the HDMI cable is fully plugged into the back, as well as have a look at your TV and make sure the cable's fully plugged in. Now, some other things you could try are using a different HDMI cable, using a different HDMI port on your TV, as well as trying a different TV entirely. Now, if you're still having a problem at this point, what I recommend you do is press and hold the power button on the top of your Switch 2 if it's turned on for about 10 to 15 seconds until it fully shuts off. Now, after you've done this, you can wait a few seconds, and then what you want to do is turn it back on and see if it works. And if it doesn't work at this point, you could either take your Nintendo Switch 2 out of its dock or connect it to a TV that works, and you want to navigate to Display Settings, and then go to Match TV Power State. Now, I've read online from a few Nintendo Switch 2 owners, and them turning off this feature has fixed their problem. And I also recommend you navigate down to System Settings and update your Nintendo Switch 2 and your Nintendo Switch 2 dock, and if it's still not working, you may have to reach out to Nintendo support. This guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.